Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, we'll be looking at how to hide or unhide your desktop icons on Windows 11 and 10. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into it. So to hide or unhide your desktop icons, just simply right click on your screen anywhere and then go to view, just hover on it and then click on show desktop icons, and now they have all hidden. And if you want them back, just simply right click again anywhere on the screen and then go to view and then go to show desktop icons again, and here it is, your desktop icons are back. It's just this simple. And if you want to hide a specific icon, for example, here is Photoshop, I'm just gonna delete it. Just simply press delete. The app is not deleted from your computer, this is just the shortcut. And if you want to bring that shortcut back, you can just go to the home screen and then go to all apps and then just select the app that you want back. For example, here it is Photoshop, and I'm just gonna drag it, and here it is, the shortcut is back, and now I can place it. It is this simple. So this was it for this video, and I'll meet you in the next video.